The University of Northern Colorado Libraries offer access to millions of books and book chapters. While the majority of these are in print format, an increasing number are available in digital format. To navigate to the book search, start at the University of Northern Colorado's website, hover over Academics, and click on Libraries. Then click on Research Guides and expand the list for Health Sciences. Choosing the option for Sport and Exercise Science, select the tab for Books. Here you will find multiple options to search for books. Both on-campus students and off-campus students have access to print and digital materials available at the UNC Libraries. However, while any journal article will be made available to any student in a digital format, it is neither legal nor practical to digitize entire books for use. So, if an off-campus student requests a print book, the entire book will be sent to the student through the U.S. mail, which will take a few days to get to the student, so plan ahead. We'll start with a search of UNC's print and digital books. I search for Physical Education and Philosophy and receive 165 matches. For off-campus students, if you find a print book that you want, request it by using the link in the description of this video. I find a book I want, so I add the citation information to Zotero. I can also search this database for just digital books by clicking on the ebook option on the left-hand side of the screen. Finding an appropriate book, I can access the full text of the book by clicking Access Online Version. If I'm only looking for a chapter of the book, I scan the table of contents. Please note, Zotero does not pick up information from eBooks well because it treats it as a website. So I will go back to the citation page in the database, add the citation information to Zotero, come back to the chapter, open Zotero, change the format option to Book section, and then manually add in the title of the book chapter and the page numbers. Another way to find books and book chapters is to search individual publisher platforms. Navigating back to the Sport and Exercise Science Library Guide and on the Books tab, I look at the box of full-text ebook collections. Choosing the Springer ebook collection, I search again for Physical Education and Philosophy, with quotation marks around physical education to search it as a phrase. Finding nearly 1,000 chapters, the search needs to be narrowed. Using the menu on the left, I choose books published in the discipline of education and language, and remove the limit for peer-reviewed only books. Then, start reviewing the results. Once I select a chapter to read, the full text is available.